In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on Squarespace, a powerful feature that lets you unlock full access to your site's code. Let's get started with something that might sound a bit intimidating at first: activating developer mode on Squarespace. But don't worry, with these simple steps, you'll see it's not as complex as it seems. In fact, it's quite accessible, even if you're not a developer. The first step is visiting the official Squarespace website. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account or click on Profile Picture and go to Dashboard. Now, before we move ahead, make sure your site is on a business or commerce plan. Developer mode is not available on the personal plan, so if you don't see the developer mode toggle, you might need to upgrade first. Let me show another account having this access. Now let's go through the exact steps to enable developer mode. From your site's home menu, click on Settings. Then go to Advanced Developer Mode. There, you'll find a toggle. Turn developer mode on. Acknowledge the warnings. It's an irreversible action, and your site's template will no longer receive automatic updates from Squarespace. Confirm the change. That's it. You've just enabled developer mode in Squarespace. After enabling it, you'll now be able to access your site's template repository, giving you full control over the structure, styling, and custom code of your website. Squarespace also allows you to connect developer mode with Git, so you can pull and push changes directly from your local machine. This is incredibly useful if you want to do advanced Squarespace customization using tools like GitHub or VS Code. With developer mode, you can now edit template files directly, integrate custom features and scripts, go beyond what the built-in design editor offers, and create a fully unique web experience. Whether you're learning how to customize Squarespace with code, how to use developer mode for Squarespace templates, or you're simply curious about Squarespace advanced features, this mode opens the door to professional level control. Just remember, changes made in developer mode can affect your site's stability, so always make backups and test thoroughly before publishing. And that wraps it up. Now you know exactly how to turn on developer mode in Squarespace and start building a more customized, developer-friendly website. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tutorials.